Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
The Gifts of the Trees. The Iroquois people learned to share. They learned from the trees. This is the story of how the trees taught the Iroquois to share. It happened when the Iroquois first came to the forest. Each tree gave the Iroquois a gift. Maple brought water. Maple said, "Here is sweet water for you to drink." Oak brought a branch. Oak said, "My arms are strong. Use them to make a tool to turn corn into meal." Elm said, "Here is my bark. Use it to make a bowl. You can put your corn in the bowl to grind into meal." Maple spoke again. Maple said, "Use me to make spoons. Make a big spoon to stir the corn into pudding. You can use me to make a spoon to eat the pudding, too." Ash said, "Iroquois brothers and sisters, use my branches to make baskets. You can carry food in baskets. You can carry your babies in baskets." Hickory said, "I will bring you nuts to eat, and I will give you branches too. You can use the branches to make straight arrows. The arrows will not bend." Ash said, "You can make bows from me. Use the bows to shoot the arrows." And so it was. One by one, the trees gave gifts to their Iroquois brothers and sisters. Pine gave his tall trunk. The Iroquois used the pine for building their homes. Balsam fir and cedar gave their wood. The Iroquois used the wood to make beds. Cedar also gave wood to make canoes. Cedar said, "My trunk is strong. It is light. It will carry you safely through the water." Finally, birch spoke. Birch said, "Use my bark to cover the canoes. It is light and smooth. It will keep you dry in the water." Maple asked, "Is there any more you need?" The Iroquois chief said, "Thank you, my brothers and sisters. You have given us food and water. You have given us a place to live. You have given us beds. You have given us canoes. You have given us bows and arrows. There is one more thing we need. It is fire for cooking and keeping warm." It was quiet in the forest. Finally, Balsam Fir said, "There is sunfire in my branches. Pick up my dry branches. Rub them together. Let the warmth come out." The Iroquois did this. Soon a bright fire burned. It gave heat and light. The people gathered around the fire. The trees spoke in one voice. They said, "We have shared what we know. We have shared ourselves. Go in love. Pay back our kindness. Give to others." And that is how the Iroquois learned to give their last bit of corn to a hungry brother or sister. That is how they learned to share the shelter of their homes. To this day, they say the gift of giving comes from the trees.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.